Welcome to the iShot Imaging Model E video borescope tutorial. In this video, I'll guide you through step-by-step through the Model E's buttons and functions so that you can get the most out of your system with ease and confidence. The first button allows you to lock the image. So right now the image is unlocked. Quickly press it and you can see that the image is now locked. To unlock it, you just press that again. Now you're back to live video. This little icon right here allows you to toggle between these two features. So you're gonna long press this and press individually to adjust the screen brightness. You have 3 different levels. So now you're on your highest brightness. We're gonna hold this again and it'll jump to this icon where the little triangle is. And this is the actual image brightness. So you can brighten the image itself and not just the display. This is the E button. It controls your exposure, your enhancement, and then also effects. So you're gonna long press this and you'll see that it jumps to the exposure. So you have normal exposure and then also doubled exposure. This will make a difference if there is a highly reflective part and it allows you to see a little bit further down a tube. You're gonna hold it and it'll bring you to the E function, which is enhancement. There's 4 different levels of enhancement that you can switch from. 3 and 4, and you'll notice that the details and the different ridges within the tubing become more prominent, so it's easier to catch details and defects as you're inspecting. Long press again and it'll jump you to the effects. There's 6 different effects, so you have your normal with a grid, negative with a grid, monochrome, which is just black and white, and then monochrome with a grid. You press that again and you're back to normal. 5 different LED brightness. It's off. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This button brings you to your camera roll. If you press it once, you'll go to pictures. You press it again, you'll go to videos. In order to see all of your videos or pictures, you're gonna hit video, and then the up arrow, and it'll show you everything in your video album. To go to everything in your image album, you're gonna go back to the live image by holding this, and you'll press it again. Pictures, up, and these are all of your pictures. Then long press to go back to the live image. In order to delete, you're gonna hit the OK button again, and hold the OK button, hit down to delete, OK, and then delete current instead of all. To switch between forward and side view, you're gonna hold this rotation button. Now we're looking at side view. And then to go back to forward, you just hold this button again. If you quickly press this button, it rotates the image. And you'll notice that the icon at the top rotates with it, so you get a better idea of where the borescope is actually pointed. And then this top icon here is your zoom, and you have 4 levels of zoom. Menu. So you can set a recording time. I'd like to do a set recording. The date stamp will allow you to put a date on every image and video that you take. You can either leave that on or off. Date and time, effects, and most importantly, connecting to a PC. That's it for this walkthrough of the Model E video borescope. For additional resources and more information, contact us or visit our website at intertest.com. Thanks for watching, and we hope this helps you inspect with clarity and precision every time. It's all within iShot.